up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through the tour of my studio, but also I'm going to take you through the process of me redoing all of it. So I've got some little clips which I'm going to roll first, and so you can see what I did, and then we're going to talk a little bit about it. So first things first, I need you to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I'm posting my next videos. Alright, so from the get-go, my studio was not really much of a studio. It was mostly just kind of like a chair, and then my makeup table was in here too, which honestly wasn't doing me much good. It was basically just wasted space, and there was like a clothing rack that could have been anywhere else, and literally the entire space was just wasted. So what I decided to do was revamp it into a studio that I could actually use for all of my things, and this is what you have here. So I built the couch, and in this lovely little room I wanted to have a nice accent piece, and the couch became the accent piece. So it is a bright pink couch. There are a couple things that I still need to do in the room, which I will be showing you in the next little bit, but yeah, quickly got a couch, quickly got a table, and then got some lovely decor. So this is where we are at now. So let's do a quick little tour of the space. First, I know you've seen this mirror before. I love it. It's staying. It didn't go anywhere. We love the mirror. It's nice. It's bright. It lightens up the room and makes it look a lot bigger because this really is not that big of a room. The next piece I'm going to show you is the couch, which obviously does still need a little bit more work. Oh, there's a little honey bunny. Her little tongue sticks out when she sleeps now. It's not sticking out right now. But seeing as how I have decided not to attach it together, I should probably do that. That sounds like a good idea. They also love to be under the couch, so there's like a collection of puppy toys under there, which is kind of hilarious. I kept my little rug and then added in all of these really pretty pictures from DESENIO, which, if you are redecorating a room, 10 out of 10, I recommend DESENIO, and I will have a link that's only available for 2 days, so if you're looking for something, go check it out right now. But yeah, how freaking cool is this? I love it. So what I put together was a lovely little collage wall, which I did not realize I was putting in a little pattern. It's like big, small, medium, small, big, or medium. Big, small, medium, small, medium. Did not realize that. That was a whole process. But then I put my 3 little lovely pictures there. And here's the thing. I'm about to sneeze. Ah, it's stuck in my nose. All right, things that are missing from the room. Right now, I would love to put a sign here that either says, "Hello, gorgeous," or "Alanna Pearson." Ah, it's me. One of the two. I'm not sure which yet, but I will figure it out. And it'll be an LED sign, and I think I want it to be either pink or white. I'm not really sure, but pink would totally fit the theme, so that's where we're at now. Here, this little empty wall, I'd love to have a black circle mirror, but trying to find those has been a whole ass process, and it's not going well for me. So fingers crossed that I can find one of those in the near-ish future, and I can add that in. Just make this desk look a little bit more presentable here. So this little corner here is a total mess, but that's all stuff that I have received and not yet filmed with. So that being said, there's a lot coming to you. The next thing that I think I'm going to do is a photo shoot using some new lights in my new studio. So stay tuned for that. Hit those post notifications so that you know when it will be coming out. And yeah, so this is my little desk area, which I just finished as well, and I'm obsessed with. Look how freaking cute it is. So, got all these cute little pictures. These ones here are from DESENIO as well, so if you want to check out DESENIO, like I said, linked in the bio. Here, we've got all of these little pictures with all of these little sayings. This little corner has turned into like my tripod and lighting corner, so everything just kind of gets put in the corner so that it's just not like in my space. Got my nice little chair, little desk, random little decor things that I've received along the way. Literally, I don't even know where I got that little rock from, but it's really cute, so I decided to keep it. Obviously, always have water with me. Little There we go. Little laptop holder and all of my stuff, including YouTube play button. Hey, what's up? Hello. That's exciting. And yeah, so that's what we've got for the, don't look at the ground, disaster of a little area for my desk. And then, like I said, the mirror. And beside the mirror, I've got this little picture here, which is also from Desenio, but I'm not really sure where to put it. So that's a work in progress. We're still trying to figure that part out. But otherwise, this I actually got, there's a fun story with this one. So I actually got this lovely little flower from my dad when I was like, probably like 5 or 6. And it sat in my mom's house forever, but I've loved it. And she kept being like, can I give it away? And I was like, no, you cannot. So yeah, now there's a little flower. But cute little things that I want to do are either my name and the Hello Gorgeous on an LED sign here. So if anyone has any hookups for that, let me know. A black circle mirror here. So if anyone has any hookups for that, let me know. And otherwise, I'm just obsessed with it. I think that it's the cutest little room, and I made it exactly what I wanted, and I was not even prepared for that. So that's my little room tour. Now, let's talk about why I did this. So, why did I redo my studio? I don't know how a lot of you have handled this past year, but for me, COVID has meant working from home mostly, which is a big change from usual for me. And the tough thing about being here is that the gyms keep getting closed. You can't really go and work out anywhere. So this place has turned into not only my house, but also my gym and my hangout area and my office, my desk, my studio, my work. So everything was kind of all over the place, and I just was not as productive as I probably should have been. So I decided that it was time to make a cute little setup that I actually loved, and here we are. I'm super stoked about these pictures because I think that having some decor honestly brings the whole room together. And yes, I do know that some of them are crooked, so don't you worry. I have not yet nailed them into the wall. I just kind of put them up as like the temporary, like this is what I want it to look like, so that I know where to nail or drill, screw, I don't even know. But anyways, I think it's really cute now, and I just love aesthetic, and I love that it made it feel more like home and more like mine. And I have a place where if I sit in here, I'm like, all right, it's time to get to work. What have I got to do? And I will actually get to work and do it. And there's less distractions when you're in a room like this. So that's something that I needed because I myself get distracted. I kind of have a little bit of like ADD, and like I'm like the squirrel kind of person, especially with puppies and with people outside and them barking and all that. It was important for me to have a space that was like a creative space for working, for getting things done, and all of that kind of stuff. So here we are in my creative space, and I love every bit of it. So I hope you guys like it too. If you are looking to redo your area, I 10 out of 10 recommend it. If you want Decor, Desenio will be linked in the description down below. They've got a sale on using my promo code for 2 days only. So get to that pretty quickly. Other than that, all of my stuff kind of came from random places. So I will try and link as much of it as I can down below for you if you are interested in checking any of it out. I love my desk. I love my couch. I love basically all of it. Really just all of it. I'm just obsessed. So that is my new studio tour. This is very random. I've never done a video like this, so I wasn't really sure how it was going to go, but here we are. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments down below if you did, and if you would like to see an actual house tour of my place, because I can actually do that now because it's starting to look really cute and I feel like it's actually decorated. So that is possible. If that's something that you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments down below, or what your favorite part of the room is. Mine is probably the collage walls. Actually, I don't know. It might be the couch. Actually, I don't know. I just love it all. I'm so excited. But yeah, other than that, this was just a short, quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so that you know when I'm posting. Wait, if you just subscribe to my channel, it just helps the channel grow. But hit those post notifications so that you know when I'm posting, and you can keep up with all of my fun shenanigans. I actually have a couple really fun videos coming, and I cannot yet release what they will be, but they will be challenges involving multiple other people. I'm super stoked about it. Like I said, I need some new personalities on here, so it's not just me talking to a camera all the time. So those are coming very soon, and you should be excited. And also challenges are just so much fun. But yeah, that's all I've got for you guys today. I really hope you liked it. Let me know. I'm looking forward to making more for you, and I'm actually getting really excited about everything I'm doing, so there will be a lot coming. So I will see you guys in the next video. P.S. If you don't follow my TikTok accounts yet, you probably should, because I'm definitely giving away 1 picture, but potentially up to 3. So if you don't do that yet, go do that now. I will link them in the description down below, as well as the one account you should follow is at Alanna Pearson with an extra N on the end, and then the other one is Life of Influence.